And normally they don't put a ribbon on the outside. This is very special. Oh, well, I didn't have... I could have just lifted the lid. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, love makeup, skincare, and doing unboxing videos. If you have stopped by to check out what is in the August 2020 Glossybox, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. For anyone new, thank you for stopping by my channel. For those of you who are subscribed and have watched my videos in the past, you may be wondering, why is Wygo Warrior doing a Glossybox unboxing? She canceled. Well, let me fill you in case you yourself subscribe to Glossybox and want to cancel in the future. Apparently, you have to cancel by the 14th of the month for the cancellation to be processed. So I canceled after the 14th, which means I get 3 more boxes. If you don't cancel by that time, you will get billed whatever cycle you are signed up for. And I was signed up for a 3-month period. All right, so now it is what it is. So time for the unboxing. Anyone new to Glossybox, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription box, which contains mainly travel deluxe samples. Every now and again you will get a full-size product, and I believe you get 5 to 6 products for the $21. Alright, so this is what the outer box looks like. Inside will be, ooh, she's pretty. It is Glossybox's anniversary, so hopefully this box is special. What a beautiful box. Alright. And normally they don't put a ribbon on the outside. This is very special. Oh, well, I didn't have... I could have just lifted the lid. Alright, with this subscription, you do get a card. The card will have descriptions and prices for the products, the full-size version. So I may have to do some math to figure out how much a travel or sample size costs. This month the tissue paper is black and the box is quite full. Alright, first item. This says Natural Lip Balm. At first I thought it was a beauty sponge. What is this? Okay, so it's heart-shaped. Seriously? Oh, you twist. Oh, interesting. Okay. It seems kind of large to put on your face. And this kind of reminds me of a baby, what do you call those things? A pacifier. Interesting packaging. Let's see what the booklet says and find out who this is from. This here is by Rebel's Refinery and is a Geo heart-shaped lip balm in coconut lime. And this is full size with a retail value of $7. Alright, I can always use a lip balm. Next item. What is this? Oh, okay, this is actually from Glossybox Skincare. They had an announcement that this month they were launching their own line of skincare. And this is Eye Boost Cream. Alright. I love a good eye cream. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, it is not safety sealed. This is what the cream looks like. Doesn't seem to have a scent, and it went into my skin nicely. All right, let's see what the card has to say. This here is the Glossybox Skincare Eye Boost Cream. For non-subscribers, it retails for $23, and for subscribers, it retails for $18. Oh, apparently this is a full size. She's tiny. It is, oh, but that's standard for, it's 15 milliliters, which is pretty standard for an eye cream. All right, Glossybox. I would have suffered from some serious FOMO. So my cancellation error is my blessing. 2 full-size products already. Okay, next item. What is this? This is Jecca Blac Glow Drops. Vegan-friendly, cruelty-free. In the shade Rose Pearl. Let's look at, see what the card has to say. All right, we have the Jecca Blac Glow Drops Primer in Rose Pearl. This is also full size, and it retails for $20. All right, I am not familiar with the brand Jecca Blac. Comment down below, have you heard of this brand before? Full size, these are pretty tiny, but I am happy for full size. And this is 20 milliliters. And let's see if this is safety sealed. Yes, it is. I have a lot of primers going on right now, so I will try this a different time. But I'm hoping it is dewy. I love a good dewy primer. All right, next item. What is this? It looks like a mouse for your PC. This says Tangle Teezer. Okay. What does the card say? This is by a company called Tangle Teezer, the original detangling hairbrush in the shade Sweet Lilac. This is also full size, and it retails for $12. I'm starting to think that their birthday box, we may get a lot of full-size items. Interesting. Okay. If I could get it out of the box, give me a second. All right. Here she is out of her packaging. It's interesting. It is shaped kind of like a computer mouse. It is ergonomic. It's odd not to have a handle. But let's see how she does. It's a little
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Why does Alexa listen in? That is super creepy. The bristles I find a little, it hurt my scalp a little. It reminds me of oh, this might be good for my pet. Like, you know how the ones for your dog or cat are a little, these are plastic and a little rough, but, all right, so we have a brush. Next item. What is this? This is from Freeman, and it says, Psst, Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. Ooh, a dry shampoo. All right. Me and lids. All right, let's see what the spritzer's like and if it has a good scent. Ooh, that smells nice. It's kind of floral, maybe a little fruity. Does it say the scent? Let's see what the card has to say. Here we have the, by Freeman Beauty, the Psst Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. It says the MSRP is $2.99. I'm going to have to look that up because that sounds like the price of a travel item and not the full size. So I'll get back to you with what the actual price is. And and list it on the screen. All right. Next item. All right, this truly is a little sample packet of something. What is this? This is by Snowberry Gentle Cleanse and Tone Soft Foaming Cleanser, made in New Zealand. Yes, so this is a sample. The card actually says a renewing face serum from the same company, but this is a gentle cleanse and tone. I would have preferred a face serum, but hey, a sample's a sample. Okay, let's recap. We got a brush. We got a lip balm in a cute heart shape. We got a Glossybox product that they brand and create themselves. This is an eye cream. We got a primer, a dry shampoo, and a one-time use sample. I got a gentle cleanse and toner. Not too shabby. Oh, I just noticed everything's kind of in the pink tone. So what are your thoughts? Did you like what was in the box this month? Do you subscribe? Are you thinking about subscribing? Let me know what your favorite item was. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time out of your busy schedule to watch my videos. Please leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. And then subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. All right, thanks everyone.